nature, with seas, lakes and rivers that could be anywhere. Some flow in a forest, where more plants and animals live than our eyes can even see. In the water, underground, in the trees, there's an amazing variety of life. It's called biodiversity. And know this, each part of nature plays a role, working together to build Earth as a whole. Next time you see an insect-pollinated flower, remember, thanks to this tiny act, the flower will bear fruit and scatter seeds, which grow into plants that capture sunlight in their leaves and renew the air we all breathe. Yes, we too are part of this world you're seeing. You and I, another link in the great unbreakable chain of being.
But if we're part of nature too, why don't we keep it close by? Can't we have a city where trees and buildings come together? Why can't we? Why?
You're right. That's simply what we need to do. They say the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago, but the second best time is now. And that starts with me and you. Trees will renew the air we breathe and cool us as water escapes from their leaves. Forests foster wildlife. They bring shade. They absorb carbon so the planet won't get so warm. Above all, remember this, when the root is deep, there is no need to fear the storm.
I don't have to fear. Your words are true. I now see what I need to do. By connecting with nature, I'll grow to respect it, live with it, and learn. And by the time I'm grown up, I now know my world can transform.